This is the final video to solve harsh lighting in photos. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve harsh lighting in photos, and I'm going to share them with you. The first method addresses the direct overexposure by selectively reducing the highlights. This works because digital sensors capture light linearly, and when light intensity exceeds the sensor's capacity, it clips, leading to blown-out areas. By intelligently lowering these clipped values, we recover detail without affecting the rest of the image. The second approach targets contrast by introducing a subtle S-curve in the tonal adjustments. This is effective because harsh lighting often creates an extreme difference between the brightest and darkest parts of an image, making it appear unnatural. An S-curve gently lifts the mid-tones and compresses the extremes, creating a more balanced and pleasing visual dynamic range. Our third technique involves using a luminosity mask for localized adjustments. This is crucial because harsh light can create stark shadows and intense highlights on specific features or areas. Luminosity masks allow us to isolate these specific brightness ranges, enabling us to apply exposure or color corrections precisely where needed, softening the impact of the harsh light without altering unaffected regions. Finally, the fourth method is ambient light simulation using fill light or dodging. This is a creative solution that adds subtle, simulated light to shadow areas. It works by gently brightening the darkest parts of the image, mimicking how softer, diffused light would naturally fill those shadows, thereby reducing the harsh contrast and improving overall visual coherence.